I tried to shorten that title, that basic title, but there's no way I could do it and crowd everything into what I had to say into it, because I wanted it to be something that was complete and not leave people guessing. The united means, that first word after the next word is united, united. United in what? You're united in what your purpose should be. You should be. That's where the unity is. The unity. You don't unite with people. You unite with your purpose.
Yes.
See, that way you don't get involved in all this personality thing. Like black people particularly are very prone in the fight against racism to say, well, I want you to unite with me. Mm-hmm. And if you don't unite with me, then we can't go forward and do anything. We can't do this. We can't do that.
Okay.
We got to get our people to unite with each other. And the compensatory concept under the system of white supremacy, you don't unite with people, because unite. What do you mean by unite? All right, you unite with the logic.
Logic. Okay.
To get a word, to get a problem solved. See, there's a logic for getting a problem solved.
Yes, sir.
So you don't try to unite with a person, because what black people have been taught is unity, is high-fiving and hugging. They think it's a physical thing. They think that makes unity. And, a black person wandering around alone and say, well, I got to get some unity here with other black people, and then I can do something. I can do something about my problem. So, in other words, the person is saying, if I don't see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other black people, then it's no way that I can solve a problem. I can't do anything. I can't breathe. I can't do anything. I can't stand up. I can't walk. I can't see anything. I can't figure out anything. I have to go and hug another black person, literally. When I say hug, I mean actually just grab hold to them. Now I have unity. Now I can think. Now my mind begins to work. That's what black people have been taught by the white supremacists, is unity. And so we have that in our minds. That's the slave ship mentality. That if you're not all huddled together physically in the same place at the same time with millions of other black people, you don't have any power at all. But if you unite, now that's where the united independent, that's where that independent comes from, the united independent. You are an individual person. The word individual could be used in place of the word independent. You are an individual first. So you have total regard for that. As an individual, you can unite with the logic that is in the universe, not unite with a person.
Got it.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
Unite with the logic. Logic came with the universe. Logic came with you. When you were born, there was a logical process for putting you into the universe. That's why it's called the universe. You unite with the elements of the universe. And the elements of the universe will unite you with other people. That's the way that works.
Okay.
You don't go and grab hold, like you see some people do on television and whatnot, like I saw, a president doing with a person yesterday, I think, on television.
Yes, with France or something.
Yeah, he was grabbing the person, and the other person was grabbing him, and they was shaking hands, and they say that the president of what we call the United States has this habit of when he shakes somebody's hands, they just shake hands and shake hands and shake hands and just keep shaking hands. And I guess that's supposed to be unity, all right? But you can have unity with a person that you never even see if you have the correct intention of producing a product.
Okay.
Because if you're in the process of trying to produce that product called justice, all right, and thinking and speaking and acting with everybody that you encounter, then when another person 10,000 miles away is doing the same thing, you are on the same page.
All righty.
That's where you want to be.
Okay.
That's where your unity comes from.